Days after 6 Naga MLAs called on Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla with discussions focused on a roadmap for restoring peace and normalcy, MLA Jagheamlung Panmay today highlighted the importance of forgiveness in bringing peace and stability. Well, Panmay, speaking on the meet with the governor, mentioned that various other topics were discussed during the meeting at the Raj Bhavan. Meanwhile, responding to a question on the formation of a popular government in Manipur, Panmay expressed optimism and emphasized the hope for fostering peace among all communities. He, however, added that the matter lies in the hands of central leaders.
No, we just had a talk regarding the peace to be brought. So we asked for the roadmap, peace to be brought to Manipur. He said many things that peace is coming to Manipur soon. And we are working hard on it. And we Nagas, as a tribe, as a community, we are also ready for the peace process in whatever we are and in whatever capacity we can. That is all what we discuss. And cutting across all the political affiliation, we have come together, and we hope and pray that the governor during this time can bring peace to our. That is not in our hand, that is in the hand of the central government. Let us hope that a popular government comes very soon, and so that we have a peaceful government, and let peace come to our land. And living here, all the community, both Meiteis, Nagas and Kuki-Zo, I hope and pray that we all come together. Let us forgive and forget for whatever had happened, and let us look forward, and let peace prevail.
MLA Panmay, along with 12 other legislators led by Assembly Speaker Thokchom Saityabrata, attended a closing ceremony of a Yaoshang sports meet today. While some speculated that Saityabrata was showcasing his influence by attending the event with the MLAs, Panmay clarified that their presence was solely to participate in the Yaoshang sports meet and not to demonstrate political strength.
Just came because my elder brother Tamo Arun has called me to come and participate. It's a coincidence that we all came together, and it's good that we all came together and witnessed Yaoshang. And me coming from Tamenglong, witnessing Yaoshang, I feel very great, and I express all across our land this type of unity are shown even in the future.
We also have reactions from Minister Y. Khemchand on the Yaoshang festival.
Holi, we call it Yaoshang in Manipur, so it's a festival for Manipur. Yaoshang festival, yes. And the model of Yaoshang festival, performing sports, this kind of festival is, I think, only in Manipur.
As you could witness, the people living in the state Manipur is now happily enjoying the Holi festival. And yes, this Holi festival acts as a heal to the pain of those people who have been affected by the violence for the last 3rd May of 2023. And yes, in the previous year, there were no Holi festivals celebrated in Manipur due to the violence. But this time, yes, people decided to celebrate the Holi festival, and you could witness smiles were seen on the face of the people at every localities and every places and every corner of the state. Holi festival is being organized, and in connection with the Holi festival, there were sports meets organized at every club and organization. And this is a short scene of a club named as Citizen Club in Imphal. You could witness there were several MLAs have been joining the Holi festival from various assembly constituencies. All the BJP, NPP, JDU and many more MLAs are seen. Altogether, 13 MLAs were seen participating the sport meet organized in connection with the Yaoshang festival, also known as Holi. So now the only decision is the center took the decision regarding the restoration of peace and normalcy and regarding the announcement of the government, of new government in the state of Manipur. For now, with camera person Roshan, this is Lucky Lailakum reporting for Notice Live from Imphal.